Hello, everyone, and welcome to our underwater adventure. Today's theme, as you can probably tell, is none other than SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's get an even closer look at today's Bikini Bottom feast. You know, this is taking me back. I used to love watching SpongeBob as a kid. Baby, if this is what they eating in Bikini Bottom, drop me down there. One was super easy, and I am for sure satisfied. That was our SpongeBob themed mukbang. If you want to see more themed mukbangs and weird food challenges, make sure to follow me for more. Bye!